How to create poll in Line application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily create a poll on a group or a conversation thread in Line. First of all, launch open the Line application on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, go to the Chats tab from the bottom center and click open any chats where you want to send the poll. Now once you're inside the chat thread, go to the bottom left and tap on the plus icon. Once you're inside this pop-up menu, select poll. And now, on the next page, you'll get to create a poll. Click on the create poll button on the next page and go ahead and enter a poll question. Go ahead and enter your question and you'll see enter an option field at the bottom. And go ahead and add different choices people can vote for. After you have done entering the choices, go ahead and choose whether you'd like to set ending date for the poll, make it as a multi-vote poll, anonymous votes, or allow new options. Select the choices you want in your poll and click done. Right after you do that, you'll be able to create a poll. Now the poll will appear in your chat so everyone participating can start voting. You can also announce your poll so that nobody misses it. Click on the announce button at the top and then you have successfully announced the poll as well in your chat thread. Polls works best in group chats, especially when planning events, making decisions, or gathering opinions quickly. So that's how you easily create a poll in Line and make group discussions faster and more fun. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.